You know, Jose, my brother, he's like, you didn't ask them to keep the wood? I was like, yeah, we did. They said we couldn't have it because it was on city property.
The city planted it.
So we couldn't have it.
Yeah, we asked.
That's what I told him.
And a bigger root system than the other one.
Guess it tells how long it's been there. After all, it had been there before we moved in, and that was in 96. Yeah. We've been here. Actually, we moved in November of 95.
November of 95.
Yep. Because my grandma passed away in the other house, and we moved here that same year. I hadn't even turned 6 when she passed away. And then I had moved here after I turned 6, or we moved here after I turned 6. Are you having fun?
He wants you in the picture.
Except it's a video.
Okay, well,
so he's nudging the video. Okay. I see you want some loves. Here, I'll give you some loves, okay? Stop it. Sheesh, that's humongous.
Yeah, it's humongous. Look at him lift that thing. I didn't think they'd be able to lift that one.
So what are they going to do with it?
Put it in the back of a truck.
Maybe he's trying to shake all the dirt off of it. Dude.
Whoops.
Stop.
There's the dump truck they're going to put it in. They started turning around and put that other one in too. Daddy, come here, baby.
It fits.
Just barely. Gotta put the other one in there too, yeah.
Oh, there it goes.
Wow.
Takes up the whole bottom of the truck.
I keep having one thing go through my mind.
What's that?
Look at all that nice wood gone to hell.
Yep.
We could have gotten.
A lot of firewood.
Yep.
A lot.
Probably 3 cords out of that tree. And just like that.
Yep. Signaling with honks.
Well, at least it's 40 degrees out, not 20 when they're trying to do this.
Yeah.
Speaking of being 20, come Monday or Tuesday night, it's going to be in the 30s and then the 20s again for a couple of days at night.
Doesn't surprise me.
Only going to be in the 40, maybe 40 for the high.